Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix heating issues on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. You can significantly improve your phone's battery life. Follow these methods carefully to optimize your phone. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is your main control center for customizing the phone's configuration. Step 2. Now scroll down slowly and locate the battery option and tap on them. And then locate the background usage limits option and tap on it to open it up. The battery section allows you to see what apps are consuming power, and by controlling background usage, you prevent unnecessary heat generation. Step 3. Now, locate the Put Unused Apps to Sleep option and make sure to enable this mode, and then tap on the three-dot symbol at the top and click on the Adaptive Battery option, and then enable this option. This ensures apps you don't use frequently will not keep draining resources in the background. Adaptive Battery uses artificial intelligence to learn your habits and optimize usage. Step 4. After that, back the menu and then scroll and tap on the Accessibility on the menu. Accessibility settings help in reducing visual load and effects that may unnecessarily use processor resources. Step 5. Now go to the Vision Enhancement menu and then scroll and locate the Reduce Animation. Right now this option may be disabled, so enable it. Your phone is first. Reducing animations lowers GPU activity and helps the phone run smoother with less strain on the hardware, which reduces heating. Step 6. After that, back the settings. Make sure to activate the developer mode. If you not, scroll and open the About phone and then go to the Software menu and then locate the Build Numbers option and tap on it multiple times and verify to enter your password and activate the developer mode. This unlocks advanced system features. Step 7. Now back the settings. Use the search bar and type the name Background Process Limit and then choose the search result to appear. Step 8. Once the menu, you can locate the various option there. Find the At Most 2 process option and select it, and automatically set this mode. This forces Android to keep fewer apps active at once, lowering CPU usage and preventing overheating. Step 9. Sometimes update-related issue heating your phone, so make sure to update your phone. To check it, back the settings, then open the Software Update option, and then choose the Download and Install button, and wait a few moments. Any update available, make sure to update your phone. Updates often contain bug fixes and stability improvements that help reduce heating. Step 10. After that, restart your phone. A simple restart fixes this issue. Restarting clears temporary processes and gives the system a fresh start. Extra bonus tips. Swipe the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu and turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS when not in use, as these features consume power and can contribute to heating. Additionally, avoid using your phone heavily while it's charging, as this can put extra strain on the battery and lead to overheating. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.